Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we will guide you through creating and managing membership on the ERP system. You will learn how to create and configure membership details effectively. Scroll down and click on Game Zone or search for Game Zone using the search bar. From the drop-down, click Membership to navigate to the Membership Management section. Click on the Create button to start creating a new membership entry. Use the Name field to enter the member's name in the Membership Name Input section for proper identification and record management. Select a membership plan to associate the member with. Select a membership type between monthly and yearly. Use the date pickers to select the membership start and end date. Then choose the customer by selecting a name from the drop-down list. Proceed to the Description field to enter the details about the membership. Once all details have been entered, click Create to save the new membership information. After the membership has been created, click on the card icon to proceed to the Payment Details section for the membership. Select a bank account from the drop-down to choose and associate a bank account with the membership. Click on the Reference Number field to input the payment reference number. You can click on the description text area to add notes or details about the payment. Click Create to complete the payment entry and finalize the membership setup. The payment will be queued in the payment page and would be waiting for approval. You've now seen how to create and manage a membership on the ERP alongside making payment. We hope this tutorial helps improve your workflow and makes your experience within the platform more efficient. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.